pwede na natin ibuhos ang gravy, yung sauce na ginawa ko. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. So, ayan. Ayan, umuusok pa. Ayan. If you have leftover roti or chapati, so you can do this way. So what we have to do is I have to grate this one. I have 3 extra of chapati here last night. So I will grate this one now. Now first we have to like this. You have to fold like this, like that, and like that. So you have to press well so that the can be grind nice like that. Ito na yung 3 roti or chapati or kubos na grated. So next gagawin ko dito ay isasangag ko. So ayan pwede na ito. It's already golden. So turn off na natin yung flame. And then ilagay natin ulit dito para lumabig. And then i-grind ko ito sa blender o kaya grinder machine. Malamig na itong sinangag kong roti o kaya grated na chapati. Ito yung first batch kasi maliit itong aking grinder machine. So ito na-grind na. So ito next ito na i-grind natin. It's already grinded. So next we have to put powder milk. Ubos na ang aking powder milk. Lagay ko na lang. And then pinch of salt. At saka 1 cup na evaporated milk. Gamit tayo ng Ayan, ilagay ko na ito lahat. Kasi 1 cup. Ayan. So, start na natin ito i-dough. It's like you are nagmamasahe ka ng harina yung ata para sa roti. Ayan. Ayan, ito na yung dough. Nakagawa na ako ng 3 balls. Ayan. So, gawin natin lahat ito na balls. Let's cook sauce or gravy of this roti, leftover roti, chapati or kubos balls. So I put 1 cup of water. I use this one and half cup of sugar. So we have to cook this one until becomes sticky. Ito na yung sauce o pinaka-gravy. Dapat sticky siya. Yung bang ganyan. So, pwede na ito. Turn off na natin yung flame. Ayan. Ayan, let's start na tayong mag-fry ng leftover chapati, roti, kubos balls. So, ito lahat. Ilang pieces ito? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 lang. So, ayan. Fry na natin. Kasi mainit na itong mantika. Bismillah. Ayan. Lagay natin lahat kasi 11 lang naman eh. So ayan, ito luto na oh. Golden brown na. Kaya turn off na natin itong flame. Ito, try natin kainin ang ginawa ko ngayon na leftover roti, chapati, kubos, meatballs. Ay, sorry, balls pala. Ayan, tikman ko ang isa. ano, with gravy na ano, yung sugar with gravy. Ayan. Bismillah wala barakatila. Kain tayo. Sarap. Tamtaman lang yung sugar niya. Ang pinakaano lang naman yung sauce niya gravy kasi konti lang yung nilagay kong sugar.